All right, let's talk about this day. Well, when I left you this morning, I told you that the bulls were in control. And boy, did that prove to be true. Now, I did not trade the morning at all, but I did come back in the afternoon and I made two trades, which you see right here. I made 5 points and 10 points. Now, the 5-pointer I was up 10 points for like a second. And then it came back and got me. I was following it at 50% of the move. I went short here, and that was the 10 points, and it came back and got me at half the distance, so I made 5. And then I shorted this, which you're actually going to see the last part of this trade here in a minute. I realized I wasn't on Zoom, and I'm like, well, why not record my trade? So I went short there and got out here, and this distance was 10 points. That worked out well. So I shorted at 28.50, which was the strong level I gave you earlier in the week, and absolutely perfect, and came in. And I always like to mentally continue trading. So it came up and got me out, and it went back into the profit, and then it came back. So there's no way I would have made more than 10 points. I managed it as well as I could have. So I'm excited about that. Well, I'm not actually live on Zoom, so I'm like, well, why don't I record this? So I went short here off my strong level. Let me scroll up and show it to you. So it was actually the high of the day. You know, MES is a little bit more wiki than ES, and I chart on ES but trade MES. And so I took that short there right off my strong level I gave earlier in the week, and now I'm locking in 10 points, which is $50 on a single MES. I'm counter trading, and so therefore it's small leverage. And once I was in the profit by 5 points, I started following at a third of the move. And now I am capturing 10 points because 10 points is good. So I like 10 points. It's also just one tick beyond this strong level right here. Whoops. It's also just one tick beyond this strong level here. So yeah. So we'll see what happens. I'm just watching now. Let me bring my microphone closer. So I'm just watching now. So just to recap, I went short here off my strong level. I'm now locking in 10 points, which is at this strong level. Bouncing off the trend line that we've had all day long. The play's been longer flat, but I did it off a high time frame level. And if it gets me out at 10 points, am I going to be crying? Nope. And there we go. 10 points.
Oh, yeah.
I also gave you this level here, that this was a triple top, for lack of a better word here. And that longs above and shorts below, and that pretty much became true about this line here. So I'm glad I traded when I did, going short here and here. I'm out, done. Tomorrow's CPI. I'll see my traders on Zoom bright and early tomorrow. Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.